You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, stay tuned, including Indian names. I've got more videos for you. You want to listen to 2 different ways of pronouncing it. Gautam is probably the most common, or it can also be pronounced, another pronunciation is as Gautam. Gautam or Gautam. How do you pronounce it yourself? Where are you from? Let us know in the comments so we can learn your pronunciation, learn from you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.